Bone update. You can see we have a nice green daily candle started here. This wedge, it's coming to a head, guys. All right, a falling wedge is a bullish pattern. Keeps messing around this bottom down here, 67 to 69 cents. Okay, I believe this breakout's coming anytime for sure, no question about it. All right, first off, I want to give a big shout out to the members. All right, Noted Trader, man, thank you so much. I set up a Discord, guys, for members. I kind of screwed up a little bit. I'm not real tech savvy with Discords. I didn't realize that you could get overrun with scammers and stuff like that. So I got to make some adjustments there. He helped me out a lot. Yesterday we ended up going to the in-laws for New Year's Eve, so I didn't get to get a lot of stuff taken care of with that Discord. But thank you so much, Noted Trader. You're a good man, and thank you for your service. I see you're a retired Marine. Thank you so much. I just get the good vibe off you after chatting with you, man. Sometimes you just get good vibes off people. You just know they're good people just by talking to them. And I think the world of this guy. Thank you so much, bro. All right, so I want to give a big shout out to the members out there. Thank you so much, everybody. It's been a great year. I think we have 60 members now in the trading course thing. So if you haven't yet, guys, please go check it out. All right, we have a bull run coming up. You're going to want to know this stuff. But by the time I charge $14.99 for this. Okay. By the time they take taxes out and YouTube takes its part, I get $7 or $8. Okay, is my cut. So I'm not making no killing off this stuff, but it's keeping the channel going. It's creating a little bit of income, and you guys are learning. That's the biggest thing, man. I want you guys to make money. A bull run is coming. This is a chance to change your life, okay? If you do not get them from me, please go get these trading lessons from somebody, all right? You're going to pay a lot more money. I paid $400 for the course I took, all right? I put 8 hours worth of videos in that for $14.99. 18 videos. You're going to learn everything I know, okay? You got to know, you have to, guys. Yeah, you know what happened to me last bull run? I watched my wallet. I don't know, I 60x'd my wallet, I believe, at the top of everything, and I just watched it just go down to, almost nothing. It made me sick. I didn't know when to sell. I had no clue. I kept listening to people on YouTube. Oh, Bitcoin's going higher. Bitcoin's going higher. It didn't, and it kept going down. It kept going down. And I kept hoping and it's going to go back up. It's going to go back up. No, never did. So most of the coins that I had, I'm still holding. And that's all right. I know now. I'm going to change my life this bull run. And I want you guys to change yours, all right? Just please learn as much as you can with these charts. Learn when to sell. Learn what kind of price targets you're looking for. If you don't even know what kind of price target you're looking for, how are you going to know when you're going to sell? You got to know that stuff, all right? You have to know. So just please go out there, learn from somebody, if not from me. Pay the money to take the classes or the courses and learn how to do this stuff, because trust me, that the $15 I charge, or the $2 or $3 or $4 or $500 somebody else charges, you're gonna make that back 10 times over easily. The $15 is nothing. If I was new in the crypto market and I came across a deal like that, quite honestly, I wish I would have seen somebody with it for sale for $15 rather than 400. But the saying, you get what you pay for. Well, I put everything I know in there, so you're getting much more than you pay for. All right, usually. But anyway, let's move on. Volume is down 13.88% at 3.8 million. Market cap is at $159.4 million for Bone right now. Okay, we're up 0.85% for the day. ranked number 275. All right, so let's go over here to the crypto bubbles real quick, see what's going on out here. Looks like Bitcoin. Bitcoin made a nice move. Look at this. Look at that pop back into green here. That just updated. I just did one video. Darn it. That wasn't updated from my last video. Bitcoin popped back into support. Broke a massive area. It's up to 786 fib level. And looks like it's ready to go. Right here. Let me show it to you real quick because keeping track of Bitcoin is super important, guys. People ask me why I cover it in the videos, because it runs the market. When you have Bitcoin has 51.8% of the total crypto market cap. Okay, when a token or coin has that much of the market cap, whatever it does, the rest of the market does. All right, simple as that. Bitcoin's up $1,500. Look at the numbers on the right hand side of my screen. Look at this. Okay, that's what happens when Bitcoin goes up, and these are just the tokens I cover. All right, that's what happens. You see a big run like that, everything starts taking off because Bitcoin is. On the daily, Bitcoin's up 1,540 bucks as I make this video. Look how it lost that support, this blue line. All right, this blue line fell down through it, fake out. Look at that. Look at that candle, that daily candle, right up at the 786. It's ready to blow through there. It blows through this 43,000. Yeah, it's just about through it now. Okay, that's a weekly. If you go out on a weekly, see, that's a weekly resistance area. Let me get this Fibonacci off here. Your weekly or your your strongest support and resistance areas. We could move that down just a hair, right about there. Yeah, Bitcoin's about ready to blow through it. So that's the 786 fib level, and this thing's moving. So good day for longs. That's for sure. Not financial advice. Don't take it like that. All right, because you probably would have wanted to bet in them this morning when this thing started moving. All right, I got in a long on Beam and doing pretty well on it. And I even put that in the trading videos, how to long and short the market. Okay, with MEXC. All right, please use my link if you go over there and sign up for MEXC, guys. Helps me out a little bit. Every little bit helps the channel. So. All right, let's move on here. But Bitcoin's looking good. You got the daily RSI on this thing. Look at it. Let's pull it up. There you go. Just turning up. All right, so Bitcoin is looking fantastic. That danger zone that we talk about, and we're going to talk about it once we get up there. We're going to have to keep a very, very close eye on this, guys, when it gets up here. We go out in monthly. Once it gets up to this area, that 48,590 to 53,000, very, very, very. If you look at the monthly RSI, look, it's right at the top. All right, you got your weekly is turning back up here, but it's going to be interesting once we get up there. We're going to have to keep an eye on it. All right, I know we're going into a bull run. Next year, man, we're going to make so much money, guys. We have a bull run coming, okay? It's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait. It's going to be a blast. It's going to be a lot of money to be made. So, like I said, if you don't learn from me with the trading courses, you got to go learn from somebody, guys. Do not make the mistake of thinking you're just going to wing it, and it's worth it, okay? It's worth learning, and I can't pound that in your head enough. It happened to me the last bull run. I didn't know when to sell, and it killed me. It literally, it destroyed me. I think my wallet, I 60x'd my wallet, my whole overall portfolio, and I didn't know when to sell. So that's the way it goes. Whatever. This is a new bull run, new time, and I'm changing my life. I'm not You know, and that's what I want for you guys. That's the main. You know, I'm not getting rich off this YouTube channel, man. I want to make a difference in some people's lives, okay? So if I can help you achieve your goals, you know, that's what I want to do. That would be so awesome. All right, let's go over to Bone here and take a look at this chart. All right, we got a falling wedge, which is beautiful. Can't ask for anything better. You really can't. I love falling wedges. It looks like this bottom is in on this thing. We've looked at the you know, we put this on here and looked right down at that 786. Look at that, right on it. I just don't see this thing going any lower. I really don't. That 67 would have come down to 67.40. I truly believe that's a bottom, you know, in my opinion. You know, if it loses that, then there's something else going on here, you know, and it would be coming down to the 64-cent area. But I think it's bouncing from here. I think it's in good shape. All right, the RSIs, the 4 hours at the top, it's bullish. It's at a 94 and an 87. The 8 hour just turned up, 61 and a 33. It's only halfway up. All right, got a nice green candle on the 8 here. Let's look at the 12. Look at that, beautiful, just turning up. Okay, it's at a 32 and a 22, and your daily, gorgeous, 11 and a 7. Okay, this could be the big run we've been waiting for, guys. We get the break out of this wedge, and things could really start going. Where's our weekly? All right, weekly's trying to turn back up, 43 and a 56 right now. If we blow this up, see the curve starting on it. See that bend starting? It's trying to turn back up. Okay, and of course our monthly looks great at a 5 and a 2. Okay, so just waiting for this break bone here. Some prices to keep an eye on right there. That's the main one. Okay, 70. I don't know, call it 75 cents. Call it 75. All right, a break of 75, 74 and a half, 75 cents. That's the main one. We break that one, we're on our way. Okay, and I would watch for this 67.20 to hold. I totally believe that's going to hold. All right, but that major resistance area right there, 0.74, call it 0.745. All right, we break that. That breaks us out of this wedge, and this thing should start going. Okay, so looking good. Absolutely looking great. All the RSIs look good. Everything is pointing upwards. Okay, doesn't mean it's going to go that way. That don't mean squat. But normally, when things are, you know, if I don't know, if it walks like, how's that saying go? If it walks like a duck, looks like a duck, must be a duck, whatever. You got all these RSIs pointing up. Excuse me. You got a bottom that came in here and retested. You could call it a double bottom here. It came down, double tapped this bottom, and it's starting on its way up. Watch that break at 0.744. And we're on our way, okay? And watch for this to hold down here. Anything in between here is pretty much noise. I mean, if it breaks up above 73 cents, it's technically getting out of this wedge. Right here. Let's make this a little bit thicker. There we go. Okay, so basically, you know, you get up to 73 cents. You're right on the verge of a breakout on that. 74.4. And we're on our way. So keep an eye on Bone, guys. It's looking great. I'm expecting a lot more volume to come in here. Really shocked. Let's go in the hourly. There you go. You got some buy volume coming in there. You know, down here. The last hour, 37 and a half thousand, 21,000, 48,000, and 15,000. The last 4 hours. That green candle. I think a lot of people probably seen a bottom here after it held support, and it's starting to bounce here. All right, of course, you can see a little bit of resistance there, right about 69.6. Okay, there's a little bit of a resistance line in there on the hourly. right about, yeah, let's see here, probably right about there. All right, so watch that first break of 69.4. Okay, and then that big one up here at 74.4. That's the one we really want to take out. All right, guys, things are looking great. Happy New Year, everybody. Please, please, please have a safe day. And this is going to be a great year, everybody. Get ready to make a pile of money this year. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right, the Bitcoin halving's coming up in a little over 100 days. It's going to be a fun year. Get ready. All right, thanks a lot, guys.